Okay, the time is here. I have to bury old clothing. Let's see. Okay, we have a very old shoe. Oh, this is very old too. Oh my, what I was thinking. This is not my style anymore. Okay.
Wait, you can take that to your local clothing bin. That doesn't belong in the recycling cart. What are you doing?
Oh my, from where you came from? I'm putting this old box of clothes in the recycling cart. What does it look like I'm doing?
The thing is, that doesn't belong in the recycling cart, but it works out since you can take that to your local clothing bin.
And what I'm supposed to do with them? I'm trying to make room in my life. What do you mean I can't be donated to your local what? Wait, what? How did I get here?
Ah, yes, now this is more like it. We just landed at the clothing bins at Corner Sports. Simply bag clean and dry clothing, shoes, belts, purses, bags, linens, towels, and place them in clothing bins like these that are found throughout the city. But do not leave furniture, mattresses, toys, or anything else outside of the clothing bins. The clothing and other items should be clean, dry, and not smelly, but it's fine if they are stained or ripped.
All right, I see. What happened to the stain or red clothing?
They get turned into insulation or shop rags.
Oh,
Clothing and items that are still wearable are reused. Something that is no longer needed by one person is new to you. But if you don't like it, or for example, like the last folks I saw,
Hey Mom, I don't think this is gonna fit.
Well, why don't you give that to Benny? It looks just about his size, and then when he outgrows it, we can pass it on to someone else. They say that it takes thousands of gallons of water to make one single pair of jeans. A lot of water, a lot of resources. So the least we can do is make sure we wear our clothes as long as possible until they're ready to be turned into insulation or rags.
That's mine now.
Hey, give me a second. I gotta take it off.
wow. Good to know. I had no idea.
well, I'm so glad we took the time to talk about this important subject to,
Take clothing to your local clothing bin. Okay. I think I got it.
why yes, that's absolutely right. How did you know that's what I was going to say?
Well, call it a wild guess. Shoo.
Thank you for tuning in, and please let us know where you take your clothing in the comments below.
Wait, what?
Have a good
Who's
one.
she talking to? How am I getting home?